the GE Electronic Window Air Conditioner. 6,000 BTU is a reliable cooling solution for any space. With a cooling power of 6,000 British thermal units, this unit effectively cools areas while maintaining energy efficiency. The special feature of a remote control allows for easy operation and temperature adjustments from a distance. This air conditioner's product dimensions of 15D into 16.44W into 12.56H make it suitable for window installations, optimizing space utilization. The Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, SEER, of 2.6 ensures that it operates efficiently, providing a balance between performance and energy savings. Designed in a classic white color, this unit seamlessly blends into any room decor. Operating at 115 volts, it is suitable for standard electrical outlets. The noise level of 55 dB ensures a quiet environment perfect for both residential and office settings. Using refrigerant R410. This air conditioner is environmentally friendly. Its corded electric power source makes